Alright, YouTube. Good. Light them up, light them up. Hey. That's how we're gonna do our intros from now on. I'm gonna somehow figure out how to clip that. Alright, Leekautorepair, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you guys like, smash the bell button. That's the subscribe button. So that way you get my notifications whenever I post. Get that little ding ding, pop your phone. Oh, Leek posted a vid. Check it out. Hit the like button at the same time. Alright, so I ain't no how to, no nothing, no guide, no summary. I'm not talking about nothing. I'm talking about it's gonna be for the subscribers. So I got a comment the other day, yesterday actually, and I'm gonna skim through it real quick. But this gave me an idea to do this vid, and I want to be more like helpful now because I'm doing these vids and nobody's pointing me in a direction. Let me look at the camera because when I edit my videos, I'll be like, "Look, you don't be looking at the camera, right? Let me look at the camera." So when I be doing these jobs, like it's never planned or nothing like that. So if the car come in, it's up to me to decide if I want to record it or not. But I get from time to time people will ask me, "Can you do this job in a particular year, make and model?" And I'm like, check my catalog of videos I got. Maybe it's there, maybe it's not there, but yeah, there's always something that I don't have that you need. So I want to be more helpful and shit. That's why I ain't mean to cut. Whatever, I'm gonna leave that part in there. But I'm trying to get to the comment section because I don't even have my tablet, so I got my big behind laptop. Hold on, let me pull up the comments. But I want you guys leave it in the comments after this video or whatever. I want to try to post this video as like the intro video for my channel so people can watch it. So whatever video, whatever ideas you got, you want me to cover how to bleed brakes, how to bleed cooling system. Well, I already covered that in the video. But if you need me to do it the old school way for you or something, you need me to tell you how do you start when you on flat rate, how do you check out the car and get ready for an upsell, or advice on speeding up, or advice on doing big jobs, which I have been doing on those, I did like part 1 and part 4, I think, or part 5 on engines and transmissions. Just be sure to check that out. Maybe I'll leave a link for it or something, or a little card in the video or something. But I'm trying to figure out other videos that I couldn't cover. You need me to do some diags, you need me to cover something, check some circuits out. I don't know what you need me to do.
A video on how to find a real service writer.
Oh, video on how to find a real service writer. That was going to be a future rant on how I don't like service writers like that because they get on my nerves. All right, so I'm going to pull up this comment. It was yesterday. It was a guy named John Ambrose. Okay, he was basically, I'm not going to read it, but maybe I'll post some pictures of the comment on the side. But pretty much, I did transmission replacement on a Buick LaCrosse, and I did it live. And his problem was in the video. He didn't like that I didn't elaborate thoroughly on what bolts and stuff to take out. Okay, tell me one second. On what bolts that I need to, remove. She didn't like mess up my train of thought or whatever. Man, whatever. I didn't elaborate thoroughly for him. So it was more so me just setting up the camera, and I was going back and forth, going live, but no one saw what I removed, which is understandable. So I had let John know that, pretty much, I'm sorry, well, first we had a little few words because he kind of got like smart or whatever, but I saw that he's just cool, he's just frustrated because he can't find a video that's going to help him out. So I replied back and I let him know after, we exchanged words or whatever, because he replied back again and said that, he actually apologized if I came off and if I offended him or whatever. It wasn't his intentions, but he was just frustrated because he said he checked out about around 50 videos and what the hell? I think it's a win. 50 videos and he couldn't find anything on the video he was looking for. So, like I said, I told John that reason why, I don't record like big jobs, like engines or transmissions. I won't record it through the whole job. There was this one video I did on a G37 when I did a time-lapse video on removing the transmission. But y'all saw that I do the engines and transmissions and big jobs and rear ends and shit. I don't always be telling people exactly how to do it because that takes time. That's time on my part, bad enough that I don't get paid for editing. Yeah, I get paid. I get a YouTube check monthly or whatever. Cool, but it's like part-time status. It's not a full-time status. So I feel like if I got more out of YouTube, far as compensation-wise, yes, I would be more than glad to sit there and edit the long 2-hour transmission transmission replacement transmission replacement guide or whatever you want me to replace. Sorry, I couldn't get the words out my mouth. But I want mine sitting there editing. I just got a problem with filming it and editing. And then two, I gotta get through the whole job. Some jobs, wherever my mind is, I just want to focus on the job and get it done. I ain't got time for, like, stopping and talking, back and forth simultaneously. So let me close this laptop because I'm done reading the comments. So this is all I want to talk about in this video. Whatever you guys need, tips, tricks, advice. It could be simple stuff. How to put wipers on, how to put a battery in. I think I got an old video on how to put a battery in. 2 videos, I think. My car don't crank. What should I do? Or I got this light on in the dash. I got this code, but what does this code say? Can you elaborate? What should I check for within the circuit? Whatever your question is. Or if you working on this Chevy, can you look out for such and such repair? Or can you just make a video very similar to the repair that I'm going to be doing in the near future or very soon, or whatever your ordeal is, whatever. I can be helpful. Just let me know. That's why I'm here on YouTube, because I'm the Robin Hood of mechanics. Like, I almost hate every shop that exists, or that's just how I am. I just work here because I'm a mechanic. I need to work in a shop. I need to support myself and my way of living, and that is my way of living. But I always got my little pet peeves about shops and stuff, and I feel like I like to help out people, and I want to give the job away just to be a smart ass. So I'm just gonna continue being a smart ass on YouTube. So that's all I wanted to cover. You can see this transmission behind me. I think it's a 2007 Dodge Ram, doing transmission replacement. I don't know, maybe I'll show you guys. Let me show you guys real quick. So, you see this right here? This transmission. Let me get a light for you guys. Well, that's not the transmission, I'm sorry. That's just whatever's left over the transfer case. You see everything is like literally laying everywhere. You can see the shift fork right there. That's that over there. Ain't nothing to talk about. I pretty much, it's an easy job. It's simple. I didn't have to drop the exhaust. You see the front draw shaft hanging. They did a crappy job on exhaust, whoever did it, but that's really simple. So this is my job I'm working on before I decided to shoot this video. And just I wish I could have did maybe a part 5 or part 6 or whatever part I'm at, but like I said, this is my job. Maybe tomorrow, if I feel like it, or if you guys leave it in the comments, maybe I'll talk about more doing engines and transmissions and the whole experience of things. So that's just everything. I just wanted to show you guys, because I know you guys are nosy. What am I working on? Why is the transmission sitting there? But I don't know the story on this. The guy was driving on a highway. All he know is he heard some banging, clacking, something did whatever, and the car wasn't drivable. Got a tow here, saw something hanging on the ground, and you can see this chain. So it's just the broken up transfer case. So that's that. So I'm out of here. Leekautorepair. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. And that's